It's your pink bag lady, Amy Pinkston, with a product review of one of our new summer collection products. These products are only available until July 31st or until they sell out. So limited products and limited prints, summer only. Are you ready? Check out this fabulous new product. Okay, so you guys know that I love the new Pick Up and Go Tote. It is so cute, and I've already shown you that one. We've done a product review on that one, but I love it in this new painted palms. You can see I personalized it with the stamp P in navy. Y'all, this is my new go-to bag for the beach, for the pool, for whatever. I love it. It has so much room for all your towels, everything that you need. You are going to love it. And I'm such a person who wants to match everything. So I will tell you that if you host a party this month in May, you are going to be able to get the Pick Up and Go Tote and our new Ultimate Beach Mat. Yes, for only $20. Yes, so if you love this beach mat after I show it to you and you love the Pick Up and Go Tote, you need to get a party scheduled for me this month so you can get it yourself for only $20. Yes, all right, so let's talk about this Ultimate Beach Mat. So this is my new Ultimate Beach Mat. On this side you have Paradise Palms, and on this side you have the Summer Stripes. Now you're thinking, Amy, that's not a beach mat. How am I gonna use this at the beach? It folds up into this neat little zipper pocket. So watch as I show you the Ultimate Beach Mat. So you're just going to take your mat out. So simple. Yes, and so you can see here on this side we have the beautiful Paradise Palms, and then on this side we have the Summer Stripes. Yes, okay, so let's talk about this beautiful, beautiful mat. So it is $48, and it is dual-sided, as you can see. So one side kind of reversible, so you get two different things. It is personalized on the solid panel, and I will show you. I did the inner circle with a P on it. That's a P in true turquoise, and that's on the solid portion here of the mat, and it will be on the solid portion of all of your mats. So each one has a solid portion that you'll be able to put that on. All right, and so next, it is sand resistant. It's kind of like that microfiber. It's sand resistant, quick drying fabric, so you don't have to worry about heavy beach towels in your Pick Up and Go Tote. And it folds into that neat little zipper pocket for easy storage. It is machine washable and then tumble dry on low. So you want to know how big this is? It's really hard to show you. So I'm going to tell you, because it goes out of the screen here, 72 inches in height and 41 inches in length. And just to kind of give you real quickly how you fold this up, you are simply going to fold it in again, and then once you have this big long, you're going to fold this 5 times, and it will just go into the zipper slot here at the top and pack up just like I showed you at the beginning. So this Ultimate Beach Mat is one of my new favorites. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the Pink Bag Lady channel. We would love to have you join us here for all the latest with 31 and everything that we have available to you this spring and summer of 2022. And if you do not have a 31 consultant, I would be honored to be your 31 consultant and be your Pink Bag Lady. You can find me on the internet at pinkbaglady.com. That's my website, and all my contact information is below. So check it out, message me, call me, text me, whatever. I'm here to help you if you want to have a party, if you want to purchase, or if you want to join and become a 31 consultant just like me. we have dollar enrollment in May of 2022, so be sure and take advantage of that dollar enrollment. It's a great time to party and join right now, summer at 31.